Hey gang, me again. We'll be posting two or three different videos on just this uh, steering gear replacement. See, I'm getting deeper inside the machine. I got the bracket out easy. It comes out easy. Cub Cadet sure built a good machine way back then. It lasts forever, and it's solid. A lot of heavy-duty steel in this machine. But anyhow, got it out. Gonna replace the bushing and the side gear and pinion gear, and have it back together, and hopefully get the chassis all washed out and ready to put the engine back in. Maybe still tonight or first thing in the morning. Got to, like I said, go pick up another rider mower that I'm getting cheap, no engine on it or deck, but I'm just excited about getting another machine to fix up. I guess I better stop buying more and fix up what I got. But anyhow, back on this, and next thing after I replace those gears in the bracket, set it aside and wash it up and let it dry overnight, and maybe put it back together first thing in the morning, and the engine on it. So that's where we stand. Anyhow, here's another minute and a half video or so, and maybe I'll try to pause it this time. I hit stop the last time using the LG phone camera, and this time it just works differently, I guess. So anyhow, I'll see what I can do about pausing it, and then get back to you after a while after I wash it up.